Alright, in this clip I'm going to show you how to use the Data Analysis Tool Pack to show descriptive statistics within Microsoft Excel. So, this is pretty simple. I have a data set here that I'd like to analyze, and within the Data tab, the Data Analysis Tool Pack is right here, and I just have to find Descriptive Statistics. Click OK. And here I want to show I'm going to show the input range, which is my data set. There's no label in the first row, but if I selected all of the data, including a header up here, I would click this box. Since I want the information, my descriptive statistics, to display on this page, I'm going to show the cell where I want it to print out at. So I want it to print out here in F3, but I could also have it print out in a new worksheet or even a new workbook. And the only thing I really want to show is general descriptive statistics, and I can do that by clicking this box. And there's some other options, but I just want to show the general statistics. So after that, I'm just going to click OK. Make these a little larger. So now this shows my mean, standard error, median, or the average of all the numbers, mode, standard deviation, sample variance, kurtosis, skewness, the range, minimum, maximum, sum, and count, which is how many pieces of data you have in the data set. So this is just a quick way to show all these descriptive statistics to learn more about, or for a fast way to learn about a data set that you have.